Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with Google Maps open. On mobile, use the app. On desktop, go to Maps. Google.com. Make sure your device location is enabled so Maps centers on you. First, search an address or long press to drop a pin on the map. This creates a marker. Once done, zoom and pan until the marker sits exactly where you want the coordinates. This first step places a persistent point so you can read exact GPS values in the next steps. Now reveal the coordinates. Tap the pin on mobile or right-click and choose what's here. On desktop, Maps displays latitude and longitude in decimal degrees directly under the place name or in the info card. That's what you'll use for GPS devices. If you need higher precision, zoom in and adjust the pin, then reopen the info. Make sure to use the copy or share function to avoid transcription errors. This keeps coordinates exact for navigation or sharing. Finish by saving or exporting the coordinates. Add the place to your places, copy to clipboard, or share via message. Once saved, verify accuracy by pasting the coordinates back into Maps search. This confirms the pin matches expectations. If you need to use them in another app, keep the decimal format. If something goes wrong, check GPS/location permissions and reload Maps or clear cache. This fixes most missing coordinate issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.